Foods to control high blood pressure. Part 2. Hypertension or high blood pressure is the most common preventable risk factor for heart disease. Over 1 billion people around the world have high blood pressure, which is defined as systolic blood pressure (SBP) values, the top number, of 130 mmHg or more, diastolic blood pressure (DBP), the bottom number, of more than 80 mmHg or more. Carrots. Crunchy, sweet and nutritious, carrots are a staple veggie in many people's diets. Carrots are high in phenolic compounds such as chlorogenic, picoumaric and caffeic acids that help relax blood vessels and reduce inflammation, which may help lower blood pressure levels. Although carrots can be enjoyed cooked or raw, eating them raw may be more beneficial for reducing high BP. Celery. Celery is a popular vegetable that may have positive effects on blood pressure. It contains compounds called phthalates, which may help relax blood vessels and lower blood pressure levels. Among commonly consumed cooked vegetables, cooked celery intake was significantly associated with reduced BP. Tomatoes and tomato products. Tomatoes and tomato products are rich in many nutrients including potassium and the carotenoid pigment lycopene. Lycopene has been significantly associated with beneficial effects on heart health. Eating foods high in this nutrient, such as tomato products, may help reduce heart disease risk factors like high blood pressure. Consuming tomato and tomato products improves blood pressure and may help reduce your risk of heart disease and heart disease-related death. Broccoli. Broccoli is known for its many beneficial effects on health, including the health of your circulatory system. Adding this cruciferous veggie to your diet may be a smart way to reduce BP. Broccoli is loaded with flavonoid antioxidants which may help lower BP by enhancing blood vessel function and increasing nitric oxide levels in your body. People who consumed 4 or more servings of broccoli per week had a lower risk of high blood pressure than those who consumed broccoli once a month or less. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a nutrient-dense dairy product that is packed with minerals that help regulate blood pressure, including potassium and calcium. Consuming 3 servings of dairy per day was associated with a 13% lower risk of high blood pressure. A 7-ounce 200-gram increase in dairy intake per day was associated with a 5% reduction in hypertension risk. Herbs and spices. Certain herbs and spices contain powerful compounds that may help reduce blood pressure by helping blood vessels relax. Celery seed, cilantro, saffron, lemongrass, black cumin, ginseng, cinnamon, cardamom, sweet basil and ginger are some of the herbs and spices that are shown to have blood pressure lowering potential. Chia and flax seeds. Chia and flax seeds are tiny seeds that are teeming with nutrients that are essential for healthy blood pressure regulation, including potassium, magnesium, and fiber. Supplementing with 35 grams of chia seed flour per day lead to blood pressure reduction in both medicated and unmedicated people. Eating flax seeds may help lower blood pressure levels, especially when consumed in their whole seed form for 12 weeks or longer. Beets, beet greens and beet juice. Beets and beet greens are exceptionally nutritious and eating them may help promote healthy blood pressure levels. They are high in nitrates which help relax blood vessels and may lower blood pressure. Consuming both 8.4 ounces 250 ml of beet juice and 8.8 ounces 250 grams of cooked beets reduced BP, although the beet juice was more effective. Spinach. Spinach is high in nitrates. It is also loaded with antioxidants, potassium, calcium and magnesium, making it an excellent choice for people with high blood pressure. The spinach soup also decreased artery stiffness, which may help reduce blood pressure and improve heart health. In nutshell, adding certain foods like leafy greens, berries, beans, lentils, seeds, fatty fish, citrus fruits and carrots to your meals and snacks may help you reach and maintain optimal blood pressure levels. For Krishi Sanjeevani, Vipin.